Solution of a quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. The method of completing squares and finding square roots suggests another method of solving quadratic equations. Consider a general quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where a, b, and c are real numbers. A are not equal to 0 and derive the quadratic formula. First step is you just subtract c from both sides. And second step, you just divide both members of equation by a, and a is not equal to 0. Third step is you just complete the square. And fourth step is you just express the left side as the square of binomial and simplify the right side. Next step is you just extract the square roots of both sides. And last, you just solve for x. Remember, the quadratic formula states that if ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 with a not equal to 0, then x is equal to negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Examples on how to solve the equation x squared minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Solution: a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to negative 10. First step is to substitute in the formula. X is equal to negative 3 plus minus the square root of 3 quantity squared minus 4 times 10 all over 2 times 1. Next step is you just simplify. Is equal to negative 3 plus minus the square root of 9 plus 40 all over 2. Next step is the roots of the equation are 2 and 5. So is equal to negative 3 plus minus the square root of 9 plus 40 all over. Next is x is equal to negative 3 plus minus 7 all over 2. Next is x is equal to negative 3 plus 7 over 2 is equal to 2. And lastly, the answer is x is equal to negative 3 minus 7 over 2 minus 5. Take note that the formula is useful in those cases where factoring is not easy. That's the example. So we just solve the equation x squared minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Solution: a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 3, and c is equal to positive 1. So substitute the formula. X is equal to negative times negative 3 plus minus to the square root of negative 3 quantity squared minus 4 times 1 and times 1 all over 2 times 1. Another is just simplify. So is equal to 3 plus minus to the square root of 9 minus 4 all over 2. Next is equal to 3 plus minus the square root of 5 all over 2. The roots of the equation are 3 plus the square root of 5 all over 2 and 3 minus the square root of 5 all over 2. So that's all for today's video mga kapugimatics. See you sa next video na aking i-upload. Kaya huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe and hit the notification bell.